Yo guys, gather up, this is Solix and this one is so special. We are going to talk about CPs, the best way that I use for finding liquidities. So without wasting time, let's hit the charts. Okay, listen carefully guys. This is the best way that you can find liquidities, but believe me, you have to take so much note of this video. For example, we are in a trend like this, okay? You see, a sharp trend, but we have a CP here or compression here. What does that mean? It means that price leaves no order behind. You see, this low took every order from this, and this low took every order from this, and whole this area has no liquidities anymore. And what we are going to do is to select this low as a good liquidity, and then we can expect a rejection from here. That's it. Is that so simple? No. I'm going to show you some example. But two tips. First of all, we want to find CPs in the direction of the trend. This trend is going up, so we are going to find a uptrend CP. We don't want to find something like this. Okay, this is not CP, and do not mistake, guys, this is not CP, this is CP. This is not in a direction of our trend. This CP is a downtrend, but our trend is uptrend. So this CP is right, this one is wrong. First tip. The second tip, guys, CP can be high and lows like this, and CP can be actually not like this, sorry, like this, and CPs can be candles like this. We are going to use this one as a liquidity too, because the thing that we are going to actually understand is that market is telling me that there is no order. We can actually took every order from other lows or in downtrend from other highs, and we can took order from candles to next candle to next candle, and order can just go to the next one, go to the next one, and it means that there is no order. It can be candles like this, and it can be high and low like this. So let's see the chart. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I have something right now on gold. As you can see, we have a CP here. You see, guys, here. This is a CP. First, if I want to show you like this is happening. Okay, this is CP. You see, this is happening. So this is CP. See that? And if I choose this, see, a liquidity squeeze happened here, and then we went for a big downtrend. Okay, I have something else here. Look, we are in a downtrend, and here we have a downtrend CP. You see, we have a high here. Every order from this one goes into this one. Here's two, again, again, and this area has no liquidities, and then we can expect a liquidity swap here, and you see price just took every order from here, and then we had another downtrend. What about next one? What we have here, boom, you see this one is good. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. You see, guys, we have a sharp trend, and then there is a CP here. So see, every order from this, actually from this, goes into this, and by the way, as the same, every time it is happening, so we don't have any liquidities but here, and this red line is a good liquidity for me. Let's go into other chart, US 30. You guys like it so much. This one is not a good CP. I will tell you why. Because CP, guys, okay, it is about liquidity, but I told you, is that so simple? No. Why I don't care about this one? Why? Because we have higher time frame things that we actually gathered so much liquidities from here, and I don't expect a lower time frame CP can handle price to go back up. We need to translate it better. Okay, can you see this, guys? We are in an uptrend, a sharp trend, and then we went in a CP. This is a candle CP. You see, this made by candles. Okay, so do I have any liquidities but this one? No, I don't. Why? Because from this low until this low, every order just went in this one, and then went in this one, and then step by step we use these liquidities. So I don't have any liquidities until here. See, this whole area is a CP, and below this we have a good liquidity, and then boom, price just went up. Okay, this is a good liquidity. Yeah, you see, guys, a sharp trend or a downtrend, then a CP here, and then boom, we went down. So every order from this high went to this one and to this one, and this high is going to be a good liquidity. And then price took orders from here, gathered some fuel, and then we went all the way down. Maybe you guys ask that why is this one didn't work? Okay, ah, come on, why is this one didn't work? Because we gathered so much important liquidities from below, and believe me, this one is more valuable because it is for higher time frame, and then we are going back up. Okay, and this CP is too far away that I don't want to trade on this one. Okay, that's why it is not 100. Everything in trading is not 100%. But if you practice, you can select those that can work. Okay. By the way, something else, guys, we don't take this as a CPY because it is a low with orders, and this low is too far, and it didn't come back all the way down to take orders from here. So actually, this is not a CP. CP has to be something like this. Okay, this is not CP2 because it is in the wrong direction. But by the way, it has to be like this. Okay, the shape of it. Well, look at this one. Boom. You see, guys, this one is so fucking great. Look, there is a CP here, a sharp trend, a CP, and then a sharp trend. If I lose this low, it means I'm going all the way down for this one because there is no money in here. And you see, price just took every order from this, and then we went all the way back up. I want to show you some examples in 1 minute's time frame. Look at this one. You see, guys, this high is too far from this one, but these highs here are close. What the fuck is happening with my fucking internet? Ah, come on. Where were we? Okay, here. You see, this high is a good liquidity, and then price just took orders from here, and then boom, went down. Why I didn't take this one? Because it is too far from this high, and it means orders from this high didn't go to this one. So this is another liquidity. We don't call this a CP. CP must be something like this, and as you can see, it could be a good situation or a good opportunity to be seller here. Or look at this one. It is so beautiful. See, all of this area is a CP, so this low is a good liquidity. And then price took every low from this, actually price took every order from this low, and then we went all the way back up. Okay, I have something here. I don't know what happened in future, but I have a CP here. We are going to check it. You see, there is a CP here, and guys, for finding CP, it's better to be a, actually we can find a sharp trend, then we can find a CP like here, you see, then we have a CP, and I'm going to take it as a liquidity. Let's go. Okay, boom, you see that price just took orders from here, liquidity swap is happening, and then we went down. That's it. Okay, thank you for your time. Please go take some tests. Don't use this right now in your account, it is too soon. You have to learn it well by yourself, and nothing else. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that like button. Love you all. Peace out.